Welcome. So in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to make a product research using image. So let's go. Whether you're using a mobile phone or using a laptop, once you see this icon here, just click it. It serves the same purpose on desktop and also the same purpose on mobile phones. Just click on this icon, then have to locate where you save your photo. Even if you're using an Android phone, you look for the photo on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, if you're using a PC, just like I'm doing now, locate where you save the photos. Then let's say we're trying to look up this bag. Then click on search. Okay, this is what we got from our search. Then when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the options with the bags that shown to us. But first of all, you have to make sure you study the bag you're searching for or the product you're searching for to know whether it exactly match the ones that are being shown to you. Then if you check on this is the bag. If you check on this is the bag. Then when you scroll down a little bit to check for the bags, you can see this looks like the bag, but it has a channel label here. Channel is a brand. It has this channel label here, unlike this one has a total different label. And also when you scroll down again, this is the same bag with channel label, and also the same bag with channel label. I think there's a discrepancy between the holder. So it depends on what you really need. So these are the bags. Okay, let's assume that this bag, they are all the same bag with the same label and with the same handle or with the same hand. So what we do is, because some people might be confused about the prices. Some will say those items with higher prices are the genuine one or the real one. Those with lesser prices are the fake ones. No, sometimes what you see on 1688 may marvel you. Just like in this bag now, we have 65 yuan. It has a minimum order quantity of 3 to 29 pieces to 100, and this one also has 3 to 229. That means this one is 1 yuan costlier than this. And also when you check this other bag again, this one is 54 yuan, which is a way too costlier than this. Almost 11 yuan. This is like 11 yuan compared to this is 5 yuan, but they're all the same bag. This doesn't mean that because this guy is cheaper, so the quality of the bag is cheaper or fake. And this being the higher price, this is the most genuine. Or even looking at this one is 81. Oh my goodness, this is 87.9 yuan. This doesn't mean that this one is costlier and also this one is most expensive, or this one is even more better than these guys you've seen here. No, because what's really happened to me recently, I tried to buy a product from the brand itself, because I try to buy stuff from the brand themselves. I don't want to buy from retailers, I don't want to buy from sellers. I try to buy from the brand themselves. So when I try to buy from the brand and the product is no longer in stock with them, but the product sells for 65 yuan. But when I try to check other sellers to see that if I can find it, and they now told me that the price is 110 yuan. Considering the difference is 65 yuan and 110 yuan, which is almost like 50. This is like 50 yuan difference. So that is totally different thing. So you can't tell me because these guys are telling me 110 yuan means that's better than the brand themselves. The people that manufacture that product told me 65 yuan. It doesn't mean that they are better than them. No, it means that because brand themselves, manufacturer themselves, they make a little profit selling to people. So because they manufacture the product, so they have a little markup. So their profit increases as they produce more and more products. So a trading company may try to put in a higher rate so that they can sell more and make money from retailers. But a manufacturer makes little profit from what they sell because they keep manufacturing and selling to a lot of people. So their margin is so low as compared to what you see on retailers. So make sure you do your research. This big price doesn't mean that this is higher than this in quality and everything. No, but sometimes what matters a lot is the material they use in production. The material they use in production, that's what really matters, because this guy may be using a PU leather while this one may be using a genuine leather. So you have to compare these two things. When you check at this, you have UX5 Chuks more square. Where you read along, you may not necessarily see the material of the product, which means you have to ask the seller, please, what's the material of this product? Is it a genuine leather or is it a PU leather? Then when you take a look at this 155 yuan, they have bucket tag female fashion, okay, bag leather. See, you can see a leather here, but they didn't specify whether it is a synthetic leather or whether it is a genuine leather. So you have to ask these guys. But there's what I just saw here now. 5 gold. Wow, this is incredible. This really show that they are manufacturers and not trading companies. Oh wow, they are really a manufacturing company, just like you can see here. Business model, production and trading. That's really manufacturing company. So when you check on these guys, they really don't show whether they are manufacturer or whether they are just trading platforms. Just like I can see here, they are trading platforms. And this means that the material used in this product might be higher than what is being used in the same product. So make your research so well. This guy is 73 yuan, which is not really bad. When you check on this text, it shows fashion lock single shoulder bag. There is no material. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you guys through on how to make your researches on suppliers to know which one is genuine and to know the level of trust you can give to a particular supplier. So let's go.